Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 2.7 of chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals. So now I'll solve question number 3, and question number 3 is find 2.7 divided by 100. So here is two zeros after 1. So we will remove two digits from left hand side, okay, before the decimal point. We will shift the decimal point to left hand side, okay. So let's start our answer. So here is 2.7 divided by 100. So we will shift two digits, the decimal point after the two digits, okay. Let me show you. Here is 2.7. So we will move the decimal point after the two digits. That means one digit gone, two gone, and then another 1 0. Okay. So our answer will be 0.027. Okay. And here is point. So before point, we will also put a 0. Okay. So our answer of first bit will be 0.027. Okay. So let's move to second bit, and second bit is 0.3 divided by 100. So here also we will move two digits. Okay, we will shift the decimal point after two digits because here is two zeros. Okay, so one digit is 0 and another 0 will put. Okay, because here is only 1 0. So we have to put another 0. Okay, so we will write point 0, one digit 0, second digit, and 3, third digit, third digit. Okay, and if here is a point, obviously we will put another 0 before the point. Okay, so our answer will be 0.03. Okay, so let's move to third bit, and third bit is 0.78 divided by 100. So here is two zeros and these all are 100. So obviously 100 is having two zeros. So we will move two digits. Okay, we will remove the two digits. So one digit is 0 and we will put another 1 0 because after the decimal point there is only one digit, this decimal point, and starting from the left hand side of decimal point there is only one digit, but we need two digits. Okay, so for making two digits we will add 1 0 extra. Okay, so our answer will be 0.0078. Okay, and if here is a point we will put another 0. Okay, so our answer of third bit will be 0.0078. Okay, so let's move to fourth bit, and fourth bit is 432.6 divided by 100. See, here is two zeros, so we will remove two digits before the decimal point. So here is two digits. So we are taking two digits, that is 3 and 2. Okay. So our answer of fourth bit will be 4.326. Okay. 4.326. So let's move to fifth bit. So friends, fifth bit is 23.6 divided by 100. So see, 100 is having two digits, so we will shift the decimal point after the two digits from left hand side. So here is two digits, that is 23. Okay, so we will remove this 23 and put a decimal point after 2. Okay, after 2. So the answer of fifth bit is 0.236. Okay, and we'll also put a 0 before the point. Okay, so our answer will be 0.236. All right, so let's proceed to sixth beat. So friends, sixth beat is 98.553 divided by 100. So here is two zeros after one. So we will remove two digits from the left hand side before the point. Okay, so we will remove the 96 and put a decimal point before the 9. So our answer will be 0.98, 0.9853. Okay, and if there is a point, so we have to put a 0 before the point. Okay, so our answer of sixth bit will be 0.9853. So let me show you the clear answer. 0.027 is the answer of first beat. 0.003 is the answer of second beat. 0.0078 is the answer of third beat. 4.326 is the answer of fourth beat. 0.236 is the answer of fifth beat, and 0.9853 is the answer of second beat. Okay, so by this we have completed question number 3. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.